Okay, hey guys, welcome back to Mississippi Dashing. My name is Nathan, and tonight we're gonna go on another ride along. It is 5:30. I'm getting started a little later because I went and got the oil changed in the car. But same goals, we're gonna try to get to 30 bucks. I might go a little later tonight, maybe 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit longer than that. We'll see, but I'm excited to get going. Let's do it! All right, so we're starting out actually kind of slow. I usually get an order pretty quickly when I get out on the road. I did get an order, so that may be kind of a lie, but it was $9 for 9 miles, and I don't feel like I want to drive 18 miles for half the money. It just makes more sense when I take like $1 per mile at least to get there, because once I get there, if it's in another zone, Doordash will start looking for orders. So we'll keep going, see if I get an order. All right, there we go. 5.8 miles for $7 for Chick-fil-A. We'll hit that one up. Not too bad for a start, but hopefully we'll get some better stuff afterwards. All right, so I just picked that one up from Chick-fil-A, and they were pretty busy, but here's a quick tip for you if you go into a restaurant and the restaurant seems busy. Often enough, they just don't know that the dasher is there, so go straight up to the counter, get someone's attention, and they'll get to you right then. All right, drop that Chick-fil-A off and immediately got another one for a shop now at Dollar General for like $7.75 for 4 something miles. So we're gonna take that one next and keep going. Let's do it. All right, so that's the second night in a row that I've used my red card where the chat support has said there is a glitch and they've had to fund the card in order for me to check out. I don't know what that is, but Doordash, you need to check on that so I can keep making money. All right, and just like that, we got another order from $7.75 from Dollar General. Let's see if my red card gets declined again. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. Card didn't decline this time. Get this guy delivered and then we'll be in the 20s at that point, so almost to our 30. Okay, so got that order dropped off, and I immediately got an order for $11.75 from Walgreens, and it was talking about scanning IDs before giving anything with alcohol. So I don't know what we're buying here, but if this is my first alcohol order, that's interesting. Okay, so this is an alcohol order, and Doordash requires you to get a signature and scan the ID. The instructions on this say leave at my door. I hope this goes smoothly.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Railroad Street.
I hope this goes smoothly and it's not a teenager, because I gotta scan their ID and get a signature when I get there. It's an alcoholic order and I don't really want to lose my job, so here we go. Good old Bud Light. Okay, so that alcohol delivery was a success. They had an ID ready and signed, and that put me up to 34, a little above 34 for the evening. So we're gonna call that a win. I'm headed back home now. My wife will be off work soon, and I'm gonna have some dinner. Anyway, what a good night. See you guys in the next one.